Hello my friends, welcome back. Briana here. I'm trying to catch up on all my videos, so you're going to see a lot of the same look and the same shirt because I was sick and I just could not get around to doing my videos because it sounded like Leroy, and nobody wants to hear Leroy. So let's open my American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. These used to be bi-monthly and now you get them every month. They're $34 and that includes free shipping. There's what the inside looks like. I still don't know why we do that. It comes with a card and the card has all the products on it with the prices that they're valued at. And the first thing right on top is a set of Ardell Flawless Lashes. These are Whisper Soft Premium Remy Hair. What does that mean? I'll have to look that up. Those are very pretty. Let's see. These retail for $5, which is pretty good. So I'm excited to give those a try. And then we have the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. Love First Aid Beauty. This is Intense Hydration, Skin Protectant, Colloidal Oatmeal. Ooh, I need the colloidal oatmeal. This retails for $36 and it's a fast absorbing rich moisturizer that provides instant and long-term hydration for dry, distressed skin and eczema. I don't know if you can see on my chin that I have been battling with that, so this will come in handy. I'm excited about that. And then we have Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Lip Pop. Nourishing and Soothing. Blueberry Jam is the shade, it says. I'm pretty sure that First Aid Beauty is cruelty-free, I think. This does not say whether it's cruelty-free or not. I think Ardell is cruelty-free. Here's what the packaging looks like. Really cute. And there's the lip pop. It looks like a balm. Oh. Doesn't smell like blueberries. That would have been cool. Did I tell you how much that was worth? That is worth $22. Really? $22. And then we have the Invisibobble Style Icon Scrunchie Originals. There are 2 in here. And these retail for $10. That's nice. You can never have too many scrunchies. And then there is this AIA Beauty On Fleek Liquid Liner. And this retails for $17. No Glam Beat is complete without a cat eye. The quick-drying, smudge-proof AIA eyeliner features a short felt tip that glides on smoothly to give the artist complete control and accuracy for the utmost precision. And I love that they said the artist, because when you're putting on your makeup, you are just painting your face, and you definitely are an artist. And it's got a little thing in there so that you can shake it up. That's nice. It's got the protective plastic on it, so I'm not going to open it. And then the last 2 items in the box are both eyeshadow palettes. And from what I understand, these young ladies are twin sisters. These are Briana palettes. Safe to say, my Brie made the perfect soft glam palette. Here to take you from a daytime to a nighttime Barbie look in seconds. And they retail for $17 each. And this is the outer sleeve. Look how beautiful she is. These are cruelty-free. And they have a 24-month shelf life. And they are by Beauty Creations. Oh, that's nice. The Murillo twins. This palette is Brittany. Very pretty. Very pretty palette. So that's Brittany. And then this one, her twin sister, is Briana. Yes, Briana. How cool is that? Twin sisters, and they each have their own palette. Oh, that's really pretty too. Look at those pinks. Very pretty. Very nice. So there we go. That's just a quick unboxing of my American Influencer Beauty Bundle. I'm going to add this up real quick and let you know what the value of the box is. I still can't get over that lip product is $22. So the total value of the box is $124 and I paid $34 for it. Beauty favorites. Very nice. Love these palettes. How awesome is that? That's really awesome. I'm excited about that. And I'm excited about this colloidal oatmeal for my skin issues. So thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me open my AIA Beauty Bundle. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel and it sure would make my day. And if you have not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I would like to say a big welcome to all of my new subscribers. I am so happy that you're here. And I would also like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something today to be grateful for. Pull out your makeup and play with it. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, I bet you still haven't shaved. Do you need an Invisibobble Sprunchie to put around your beard? Because I know your hair, Christopher's hair used to be down his back. I don't think his hair has gotten that long again, but you want some eyelashes? Or some lip pop? Okay, Mama loves you.